is totally different because the whole verb change, the whole ending change. So again, this is the ending for usted regular verb. This is the ustedes regular verb, which is similar, just up and then we have nosotros affirmative and negative regular verb. So this is the ending. As you see, is this one, but you gotta add mos, okay? Comamos, let's eat. Escribamos, let's write. Cantar, let's sing. If you want to convert this into a negative command, just add no. Then we have car, got, and start for all these commands, okay? So you are going to change the C for QU, the Z for C, the G for GU, for only for this when the command is a negative and affirmative. It applies for both, okay? Well, here, when you're using the two commands, only apply for the negative form, okay? Not the affirmative. When you do the affirmative, you don't have to do the change the spelling. But in the usted, ustedes, nosotros commands, whether it's affirmative or negative, you do change the spelling. For example, no saquen la basura, you see? I change it. No pague la cuenta, pague la cuenta. No organicemos tu cuarto. You have to change the spelling to maintain the same pronunciation. Okay? Now, all this was with regular verb. Now we're going to go with the irregular verb, okay? For the usted, ustedes, and nosotros command. So, decir, diga, hacer, haga, ir, vaya, poner, ponga, salir, salga, ser, sea, tener, tenga, and venir, venga. So, again, we have to do the go verb. All right, be careful with ir. And if the command is negative and you're using irregular, just add no. No diga, no haga, no vaya, okay? Easy. It's not like the two commands. And then this one, when it's ustedes, irregular verb, ustedes command, you're using irregular, so you're pretty much going to do the same one you're doing here, but you're going to add en, all right? And for this one right here, for nosotros, you are part of the command, you're going to add amos for all of them, okay? And if it's negative, just add no, all right? Very different, the two command. Two command is very, very tricky because it changes for every single one, whether it's affirmative, negative, regular, irregular, car, gar, and start. Well, the other ones, usted, ustedes, nosotros commands, it's a lot easier because it doesn't have that many rules. Okay? All right, so now we're going to go to the next one. Next one will be, let's see, this is an activity, okay? You can do this activity, right? It's up to you. You can do this activity, but you don't have to send it to me. It's just for you to see the difference between the two commands between affirmative and negative. This is more for you. You don't have to send it, okay? And then we have commands with reflexive verb. Remember, bañarse, despertarse, cepillarse. So we have commands with verb ir, the verb refrescarse, that's reflexive, mantener, and elegir. So ir is to go, refrescarse is to refresh, mantener is to keep balance, and elegir is to choose. All right, very tricky. So ir, when you, here is the verb, this is the two affirmative, two negative, usted, ustedes, and nosotros. Look how the command changed. This is only for, yeah, look how the verb changed. Ve, no vayas, vaya, vayan, and vayamos. Refrescarse. All right, if the command is to, you gotta change that se for te. Refrescate. If the command is negative, okay, if the command is negative, you cannot attach the command to the verb. You must start with no, and then the right pronoun, right? In this case is te, because you are talking to somebody, you're giving a command to somebody who is your same age, the two commands, or familiar to you. And then refrescar, remember car, gar, and sar, you gotta apply that rule because the command is negative and ends in car, refrescar, and then you change the car, refrescar, for QU. Okay. And then no se refresque. Why we have se? Because es usted, right? And then no se refresquen. We have se, and then we have en because it's you giving a command to more than one. And then you, nosotros, you are part of the command, so you have to use nos. No nos refresquemos, okay? You still have to add the hemos. Very, very, can be a little bit tricky, so that's why I have this for you. Then we have mantener, to keep balance. Look, when it's to, mantén, no mantengas, mantenga, mantengan, mantengamos. Elegir, elige with G, no elijas with J, elija, elijan, and elijamos. Okay, you only gonna use G when it's to command affirmative. Other than that, you don't use it. Okay. Then here I have it all together. Oh, okay. So here you're going to see every single thing I say all together. So you have the okay. You only have the usted command here. You have the usted, all these usted, ustedes, nosotros, and the car, gardens are, and then we have the regular and irregular verb. And here, again, you have to respect the stem changing verb, okay? For example, jugar, juega, jueguen, okay? I got it, respect the stem, see? Jugar, UE, and then here, volver, you gotta respect the stem changing verb, and then reflexive verb. This is all the reflection, well, there are more, but this is just some. Dormirse, lavarse, refrescarse, ducharse. And then this is how you do the command with the reflexive verb. You have to do command plus reflexive pronouns, which is this one right here. Okay, and then the noun. You have to attach the command to the verb if the verb is affirmative. All right, so lávate el pelo, wash your hair. Lávate el pelo is two commands, so I'm attaching that to the command. Lávense el pelo is affirmative. I'm giving the command to all of you. Lávense el pelo, and se is the pronoun for the ustedes form. Now, when the command is negative and you're using reflexive, this is the formula. No plus reflexive pronoun, which is all this, plus the command. Commando. It's commando. All right? You don't attach anything. It's not like this one. For example, no se laven el pelo. Don't wash your hair. No te laves el pelo. Don't wash your hair. This one is all of you don't wash your hair. You don't wash your hair. Okay? So again, no reflexive pronouns, the command, and then you have to add the noun. All right, and for the last one, remember, be careful with recoger, which is to pick. Recoger, okay? This is how you do it. Recoge, recojan. All right, elegir, to choose. Recoger is to pick up something from the floor. Recoge, recojan. And then elegir, elija, eligen. Elija, elijan. Oír means to listen, oír, very weird too. Oye, no oigas, listen, don't listen. This is the to command. Usted command, oiga, no oiga. All right, conducir is to drive. When it's to command is conduce, no conduzcas. Usted conduzca, no conduzca. You're not going to find this in the textbook, but you're probably going to see this in the activities. That's why I have it in here. Okay, they are weird verbs, but this is how it works. With command. Nosotros command. Okay. Be careful with this one. When you are part of the command and somebody else, so you have to use the nosotros command. You must have, right, the pronoun nos, right? So organicemos because that's how you do the command for the nosotros, for organicemos. And then because it's a reflexive, right? Let's get organized. Let's organize ourselves, right? So then you have to add the reflexive pronoun to the command, and that will be nos. And then we have ayudémonos, which is help. Let's help ourselves. So you're going to do ayudemos because that's the command, and because the reflexive for the nosotros form will be nos, and then you attach nos. But be careful, because this is also something that you have to do, because otherwise you will be wrong. Every time you're using nosotros, reflexive pronoun, which is nos, and you attach it to the nosotros command, you gotta drop that s. You gotta drop that s. That s cannot be there. So you will sound this way, and this is how you spell it, and this is the correct way to do it. Organicémonos. Ayudémonos. Okay, you cannot have that s there. You only do it for nosotros command with the nos reflexive pronoun. Okay. All right. So a little bit longer. Sorry. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go back. You are in 2-1. 2-1. All right. And then you're going to go here and do all the homework and assessment for those activities, for those lessons. And that's it. All right. Thank you.